Friends, the purpose of knowledge shared here is only educational and to increase awareness. Please always consult your family doctor before using any medicine. Self-treatment may always be injurious. If you find information provided useful, then please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, and press the bell icon so that you may get information of next video. Write in comments about which medicine you like to know. That helps me deciding about next video. Let us know some important symptoms of medicine Bismuthum. A very useful medicine we should have in our home kit. Bismuthum. Bismuthum patient desires company. Restlessness drives him out of bed. Anguish, he sits, then walks, then lies, never long in one place. Vertigo in the morning. Vertigo on exercising. Vertigo as if turning in a circle. Vertigo worse while walking. Winter headaches. Pressing pain in forehead, worse on motion. Foggy dim vision. Tearing pain in ear, better by pressure of the hand. Stopped sensation in the ear. Bluish circles around eyes. Pain in face, worse when chewing, better by cold applications. Teeth pain, better by cold water. Teeth pain from warm drinks. Cold drinks and cold bathing ameliorate headache and toothache. Tearing pain in throat, swallowing difficult. Chief influence of bismuth is in the stomach and stomach region. It causes a pure gastralgia, not associated with catarrh like that of Nux vomica. There is vomiting of large quantities and intense thirst with ejection of water immediately after it is taken. Food is retained a little longer. Stomach cancer desires cold drinks. Empty eructations after drinking. Bitter eructations. Loud eructations. Water brass. Sensation of hanging down or relaxation in stomach. Sensation of fullness after eating in stomach. Hiccough. Nausea better from cold drinks, worse from warm drinks. Nausea worse after eating. Pain in stomach after eating, better by bending backward. Violent pain in stomach with fainting, vomiting immediately after drinking smallest quantity, vomiting of enormous quantities at intervals of several days when food has filled the stomach. Pain in stomach, better bending backward, and eructation tasting of food eaten 24 hours before. Cholera infantum, when the body remains warm. Painless diarrhea, stool cadaveric offensive. Urine copious, watery, clear as water. Aching pain in right testes. Nightly seminal emissions without dreams and without erections. Menses dark, black, pitch-like. Expectoration bloody, dark, copious. Heart palpitation tumultuous, violent, vehement. Burning, gripping, lancinating with dull pain in back or spasmodic vomiting. In cervical region, rheumatic pain, and in back, aching, boring, burning pain in left side while sitting, on rising, on stooping. Pain in forearm, better by motion. Tearing, paralytic pain in wrist, tearing pain under fingernails, weakness of right upper limb. Frightful dreams, sleepless, restless, sleepiness in forenoon, waking as from fright. Headache alternating with gastralgia. There are tearing, pressing pains in the bones of the hands and feet, spasmodic affections of the muscles of face and limbs. Hemorrhages, the blood being dark, pithy. Anemia with an itch-like eruption. Itching in extremities, worse on scratching. Corrosive itching on side of tibia. Dry palms and soles. Gangrene and gangrenous bluish ulcers are dried parchment-like. When the water in the mouth becomes warm, it aggravates toothache. Summer complaints. Headache returning in winter. Motion relieves most symptoms but aggravates some headaches. Bismuth has a great affinity for affections of right upper extremity or forehead. Sensation of heaviness in inner parts. With gastralgia, there is pressing heaviness. In gastric affections, with vomiting, purging, prostration, the surface of the patient is warm. In summer complaints of children, there is cadaverous smell of flatus and of stool. Desires company. Child holds on to its mother's hand. Slow digestion with fetid eructations. Phlegmasia, elbow dolens, left side. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video, also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Homeopathy, safer and superior medicine. Use homeopathy, stay healthy and improve your immunity. A good guideline to remember is homeopathy as the general rule, allopathy as a last resort.